My name is Suman Jain, 186 Barbet House, and I'm a B farmer. Today we have with us Ms. Shalini Sharma, Ms. Anuradha Sharma, and Sandeep sir. So, ma'am, what is Kriya?
Uh, Kriya is a wonderful and powerful breathing technique. And if you want to know more about that, you have to do the course.
And how can Sudarsha Kriya benefit students who lead a hectic life full of pressure to perform?
Mm, okay. As it is a powerful and wonderful breathing technique, it calms your mind when you go into it. And again, if you want to know more about it, you want to know the wonders of it, you have to do the course.
And how can parents help at home for continuing this Sudarshan Kriya at home during the holidays?
Parents can encourage their children to do the Kriya, but they should not force the children. Actually, everything should be done in a very natural way, and a child should give 100%. So just say, encourage, and let them do.
So, only students in India practice this or everywhere around the world?
Everywhere around the world. Nowadays, more than 156 countries, everywhere in these countries, everyone is doing Kriya. Most of the people are doing Kriya.
Sandeep sir, so how do you feel when you have completed the yes course?
Uh, First of all, I'm very happy that we have with us people from the Art of Living Foundation, because the school and what Guruji Sri Ravi Shankar, what we are doing is very similar. This is a service. So when you are sitting here and Karan is sitting here, Karan, you did an art excel.
Yes, sir.
All right. Can you tell me one or two secrets that you learnt out there?
Stretch your hand first and laugh and let go.
Laugh and let go. Were there any other secrets that you learnt out
Yes,
there?
there were three more.
Can you tell me?
Winning or losing, life is a celebration. Learn from past, dream for future, and live in present.
Great. Any of these secrets, did the school impart any of these similar things to you before you went for the course?
Yes.
Can you just mention any one?
Learn from past, dream for future, live in present.
Great. Now you have participated in some mindfulness programs.
Yes.
Right. Your brother participated when they went to Wellams.
No.
Were you? Because it was for grown-ups.
Yes.
All right. Sovansh,
Yes, sir.
you have been in the school for more than a year now,
Yes, sir.
but it seems like a long time because a lot of changes have come in your.
Yes, sir.
Can you say that some of it is part of the mindfulness activities that you follow in the school?
Yes, sir.
Can you name any mindfulness activity?
Mindfulness activity like being calm, like solving the problems not violently but like without any violence or something.
Great. I mean, I would say that you have आप लोगों ने dining hall में you
Yes.
so they read this grace, you know, this food is the product of many people who have done hard work. Now this grace we took from the Plum village where the monks had come to train teachers and students in India in mindfulness.
Okay.
So these children were part of it. His brother was there. So we got that grace from there. We wrote it on our walls. These children read it every day. And we even, what is your, when you walk on this path,
Yes.
what is it called?
The path of happiness.
The path of happiness or path to happiness.
Of happiness.
Path of happiness. Because you're not, happiness is not somewhere we will reach at one point after completing a journey. The happiness itself is the journey. So I'm very happy that you are here because Art of Living has given us a foundation with which to begin our day. So our day, even before, what was the first thing that you're supposed to do when you wake up?
Smile, thank God for 24 hours you have, thank your parents, thank anybody, thank the trees, thank the birds, thank the clouds.
Maybe light an incense.
Yes.
Right, then you supposed to rush about doing things
Yeah.
or go about very slowly.
Very slowly.
All right, and what are the first things that you do? All right, after Choti Hazri, you go for instead of yoga, instead of PT, we have yoga out here. All right, so we did some. We used to sit here for mindfulness.
Yes.
All right, now that art of living has brought to you this this kriya, right, which is, in fact, I would like to share with you that if I read when I had done the course, which was probably about 20 years ago, I got hold of a document. It was one of the printed material that was available, which said that how many innumerable diseases that people suffer from are cured by just doing the kriya. These are the experiences of those people who are in first world country. So they have access to best medical, best psychological aid. Yet it was kriya, the simple act of being with yourself, if I could say that. So with little children doing it, I'm very grateful to you. And we had your daughter, right? She was so. If there is one positive that we take is that it has brought many minds together. And what better to say than Jai Gurudev?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, for your time. Thank you.